So today in AmpQuartz, in this episode, I'm gonna recommend you the best smart storage solutions for your kitchen cabinet. So the first smart storage solution that I'm gonna recommend is the pull-out shelf. Pull-out shelves are mounted on rails within the cabinet and can be pulled out like a drawer. This system makes it easier to access items stored at the back of the cabinet, reducing the need to bend down and reach inside. The benefits, of course, is improved accessibility, better organizations, and easy cleaning. The next smart storage solutions is going to be the Lazy Susan, which is a rotating tray. So, a Lazy Susan is a rotating tray placed inside a corner of cabinet. It allows for easy access to items by spinning the tray to bring items to the front. The benefits are maximizing corner cabinet space and provides easy access to items. So if you fancy some tall and narrow modern style of smart organized storage, pull-out pantry is your best choice. So for the pull-out pantries, they are designed to store food items and kitchen supplies in an organized manner. The benefits are maximizing vertical storage space, while also keeps pantry items visible and accessible, which helps to maintain a organized pantry. It's perfect for storing canned goods, dry foods, and kitchen staples. Furthermore, if you want to complete some easy smart storage solution, the drawer organizers will be your best choice. So for the drawer organizers, it helps you to keep utensils, cutlery, and small kitchen tools organized. The benefits are keeping drawers tidy, prevents items from shifting around, and makes it easy to find specific utensils, suitable for utensil drawers, cutlery drawers, and junk drawers. Besides that, the under-sink organizers will be one of the smart storage systems that you will need. For the under-sink organizers, the under-sink areas can be difficult to organize due to plumbing. So, this helps you to utilize often wasted space, keeps cleaning supplies organized, and provides easy access to items. It is perfect for storing, cleaning supplies, and trash bags. Appliances garages are small cabinets or enclosures that sit on countertops and hide small appliances such as toasters, blenders, and coffee makers. Its benefits, which is to help you keeps the countertops clutter-free, makes it easy to access small appliances and hide appliances when not in use. It also suitable for storing frequently used small kitchen appliances. The spice racks is also one of the smart organized system solution that you will ever need. So when it comes to spice racks, it can be integrated into cabinet doors or as a pull-out shelves within cabinets, providing you to easy access for the spices. It helps you to keep spices organized and easily accessible, saves shelf space, and helps you to maintain a clutter-free kitchen. These are very ideal for organizing spice jars or small condiment bottles. After understanding all this, if you want to build your own ideal personal kitchen setup, then AmpQuartz is your best bet. We also have excellent carpentry for our kitchen cabinets and countertops, especially for the customization and innovation that are becoming more and more popular in the current era. Firstly, we offer dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany your journey of buying your own ideal kitchen cabinet and countertops. Secondly, we also go to further as finance your personal ideal kitchen cabinet. We offer 24 months of installments with 0% of interest. Last but not least, you will be given up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is because we want to ensure that our craftsmanship, our customized kitchen cabinet and countertops will eventually meet your needs and desire according to your own household. Finally, remember to visit us at Tamangaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.